Hello friends, in this video we are dealing with the overview of citric acid cycle. The citric acid cycle or Krebs cycle or tricarboxylic acid cycle is the most important metabolic pathway for the energy supply to the body. The citric acid cycle was proposed by Hans Adolf Krebs in 1937 based on the studies of oxygen consumption in pigeon breast muscle. About 65 to 70% of ATP is synthesized in citric acid cycle. The citric acid cycle is the final common oxidative pathway for carbohydrates, fats and amino acids. This cycle not only supplies energy but also provides many intermediates required for the synthesis of amino acids, glucose, heme, etc. Thus, citric acid cycle is amphibolic in nature, that is catabolic as well as anabolic. It is the most important central pathway connecting almost all individual metabolic pathway. It involves the combination of two carbon acetyl-CoA with a 4-carbon oxaloacetate to produce 6-carbon tricarboxylic acid, that is citrate. The citric acid cycle operate in mitochondrial matrix of eukaryotes and in the cytosol of prokaryotes. If you like the video, share with your friends and please do subscribe our YouTube channel. Hit the bell icon to get update of latest notification from our channel. Thank you very much.